Question number 6. The graph shows the variation with time t of the displacement s of the object. Okay, ST graph. Which graph represents the variation with time t of the acceleration of the object? So he is asking you, he has given you an ST graph. He is asking you how to draw the AT graph. Simple. So towards it, what we do is in this ST graph, whenever graph is given, divide the segments appropriately. So your first segment, second segment, third segment, fourth segment. And note that first and three are identical, second and fourth are identical. So if you are able to approach this one, this you can easily do it. Now what's happening here? Distance time graph, you get a straight line here, which means what? Distance is proportional to time here. In that case, V is equal to constant. In that case, A is equal to 0. So let us say at this point 0 to t1 over here, the acceleration should be 0 here. Where do you have acceleration to be 0? See, here it is not there. Acceleration is decreasing. Here acceleration is not 0, it is some negative. This is also not possible. Here acceleration is positive, this is also not possible. Directly you can mark this T. Okay, so no need to look for the other regions. You can just look into it because you need to complete this problem in 1 minute, which we have done so far. Okay, so you need to look at only the fragments, you need to look at the motifs or patterns over there. So once you get the pattern, you can easily mark it. If you still want to confirm this pattern, what you do is, let us go back once again here. Let us go back here. See here, once again, distance is decreasing with respect to time. Velocity will be a constant in this region, right? Velocity will be a constant. But while what will happen over here, the acceleration will be 0 once again here. When the acceleration is 0, look for from t1 to t2. t1 to t2. Is there acceleration becoming 0? It's 0 only in this region, right? Not in other regions. So therefore, this confirms it. Okay. Similarly, 1 repeats with 3. 1 and 3 are repeating. See, this is your 1, this is your 2, this is your 3, and this is your 4. Okay. 1 repeats with 3, 2 repeats with 4. So as a result of it, none of them gets repeated like this. This is the right answer.